Understanding low vision, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in various contexts: low vision. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or browsing the internet, understanding what low vision means can help you better grasp the content you're consuming. So, let's dive in and demystify this term together. Low vision is a term used to describe a significant visual impairment that cannot be fully corrected with glasses, contact lenses, medication, or surgery. It isn't complete blindness, but rather a condition where a person's sight is severely limited. When someone has low vision, they find it hard to do everyday tasks like reading, writing, shopping, or recognizing people's faces. Low vision can result from various health conditions, such as macular degeneration, glaucoma, diabetes, or injury. It can significantly impact an individual's quality of life, making it difficult to perform daily activities that many of us take for granted. That's why understanding and empathy for people with low vision are important. To get a clearer idea, let's see how low vision is used in different sentences. The library has reading tools available for people with low vision. My grandfather has low vision, so he uses a magnifier to read the newspaper. There are special schools that provide education tailored to children with low vision. Low vision is a phrase that can crop up in various settings. Healthcare. Doctors may use it when diagnosing or treating patients with visual impairments. Education. Teachers might discuss it when accommodating a student's learning needs. Technology. App developers might mention low vision when creating accessibility features for apps and devices. There you have it. Now you understand what low vision means and the context in which it might appear. It's important to be aware of such terms, as they relate to real-world issues and accessibility concerns. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase low vision for you. Keep watching, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to fluency.